Determining your shoe size, fitting and shoe size conversion. Measuring your feet and using charts to determine your shoe size. Do you know how to measure shoe size? Making sure that you are wearing the right size shoe is a basic for daily comfort. Shoes that are too small are one of the major causes of foot pain and problems. Ones that are too large can cause blistering and a lack of stability. Also, just because you knew your size a few years ago doesn't mean it is the same feet. Like people, change over time. For example, even if your feet were narrow in your 20s, you may find yourself needing wide-fitting shoes as you age. Everyone should take the time to get a proper fitting every year or two to ensure good foot health. Measuring tips. The best time to measure your feet with the following method is at the end of the day, when they are at their most swollen. Wear the same style of socks that you plan to wear with your shoes. Measure both feet and choose the shoe size that fits the bigger foot. If you are alone, it is best to take the measurements while sitting. If someone else is helping you, then standing is best. For a more accurate measurement, use centimeters instead of inches. If need be, you can convert inches to centimeters by multiplying by 2.54. There are wide variations among shoe measurement systems, and the fit may be quite different depending upon the brand and type of shoe you buy. Size conversions should be done using the charts provided by your chosen brand to ensure the most accurate fit, but the charts below will give you a good general guideline. With an exact toe-to-heel measurement, which some sellers provide, you are more likely to order the correct size. How to measure your feet, sitting or standing. See tip above. Place one foot on a piece of paper. This may seem obvious, but make sure the sheet is bigger than your foot. You may want to tape the paper down to keep it from moving. Holding a pencil as straight as possible, trace around your entire foot. Try to be as accurate as possible so you get accurate measurements. This will help with finding the proper shoe sizing. Using a ruler, measure your foot width and length. Length. Measure the distance between the two longest points on your tracing. Now, reduce this measurement by 5 mm or 1/5 of an inch. This accounts for the slight space between your foot and the pencil. Width. Measure the distance between the two widest points on your tracing, and also reduce this measurement by 5 mm or 1/5 of an inch. This number will help determine your foot width. It's crucial to use a reliable shoe size guide. Using your measurements from step 3, refer to the following conversion charts to determine your shoe size. The charts below convert inches to the most common shoe sizes. Remember that sizes can vary significantly among different shoe types and brands, and that you may need to use a particular brand's converter for the best fit. Shoe size conversion tables, women's shoe size chart and shoe size width chart. Shoe size, shoe widths inches, centimeters, US size, Euro size. Shoe size AB, standard, D8.5 21.65 36.5 2.62.8 3.08 and 2/3 22.05.5 36.5 5.5 2.7 2.9 3.18 and 5/6 22.46 37.6 2.8 2.9 3.19 22.96.5 37.5 6.5 2.8 3.0 3.29 and 1/16 23.37 38.7 2.9 3.1 3.39 and 1/3 23.77.5 38.5 7.5 2.9 3.1 3.39.5 24.18 39.8 3.0 3.2 3.49 and 2/3 24.68.5 39.5 8.5 3.1 3.3 3.49 and 5/16 25 9 49 3.1 3.3 3.5 10 25.49.5 40.5 9.5 3.2 3.4 3.6 10 and 1/6 25.8 10 41 10 3.3 3.4 3.6 Men's shoe sizing chart and shoe size width chart. Shoe size, shoe widths inches, centimeters, US size, Euro size. Shoe size CD, standard, E9 and 1/3 23.76 37.5 6 3.3 3.5 3.79.5 24.16.5 38 6.5 3.3 3.6 3.89 and 2/3 24.67 38.5 7 3.4 3.6 3.89 and 5/16 25 7.5 39 7.5 3.4 3.7 3.9 10 25.48 39.5 8 3.5 3.8 3.9 10 and 1/6 25.88.5 48.5 3.6 3.8 4.0 10 and 1/3 26.29 40.5 9 3.6 3.9 4.1 10 1/2 26.79.5 41 9.5 3.7 3.9 4.1 10 and 2/3 27.1 10 41.5 10 3.8 4.0 4.2 10 and 5/6 27.5 10.5 42 10.5 3.8 4.1 4.3 11 27.9 11 42 and a half 11 3.9 4.1 4.3 11 and 1/6 28.4 11 and a half 43 11 and a half 3.9 4.2 4.4 11 and 1/3 28.8 12 43 and a half 12 4.0 4.3 4.41 11/2 29.2 12 and a half 44 12 and a half 4.1 4.3 4.5 11 and 2/3 29.6 13 44 and a half 13 4.1 4.4 4.6 Required tools: paper, pencil, ruler, calculator. Optional.